Come on, kiddo, you're doing good. Last beatdown session, and then we put it in the oven, and then the whole house is gonna smell like freshly baked bread. That's pretty good. All right, come on. You're doing good. You're doing good. Come on, hard. You gotta beat it down, otherwise it won't rise right. Huh? You're doing great. What's wrong? All right, hold this. Let me see it. Hold that. Okay. All right, come on, stand up. All right. So, in order to beat this down, all right, here we go. All right. Alright. So, unlike Abel, we won't lose a fingernail.
Oh my gosh, she probably did lose a fingernail.
That's gross. Alright. Okay. So, once we get it all nice and beat down, you gotta get the yeast. Since it's ate all the sugar, okay? There we are. Okay, now this one, I'm gonna cut two different pieces because we got two different sizes of bread. Okay. It's funny because if you look at your shapes, this is how it'll rise, and this is what it'll look like. I love that part about it. No two loaves are the same. I know I tell you the whole time, but it's funny. Think about like snowflakes, right?
Yeah, this is all over my legs.
What are you doing, Gracie? That's live, you know that, right?
Oh.
Alright, so get that. Now we're gonna cut this one. We're gonna put it in there, cover it. Alright, we'll do. Gotta eyeball it. Got a little pie filling ready to go. So, let me get this all nice and done. Alright. Okay. Should have oil in there. Oil in there. Okay. Gonna put this one a little more flatter on the bottom so when it rises, it'll form to the bowl. Might be a little harder to get out, but that's okay. Should taste good though. Still the same. Alright. Flour. Alright. There we go. Great stress relief. I tell you what. Tired? What did I tell you? I told you we were going to make it. Now the only thing left is to make the, but you know, that can be done in 20 minutes. This takes 26 minutes for this to rise in here. Alright, so we're going to go put these in the back. Alright, let me go cover them.
I'm gonna switch it to me. Hi. Okay, I'm gonna switch it back. Like you. There's my feet. Switch it back.
Now is when we got to make sure they get covered right now. We're going to, last thing, Gracie, before we put those in. Okay, let's clean this off, vacuum, and then we're going to do the sugar, or the, that's going to be the stove thing, even though it's pretty quick to do. Okay, wipe that off because I'm going to vacuum now. And tell everybody we're going to come back live, and we're going to do the strawberries. End. Okay.
Just put first.
I gotta clean everything. I gotta get stuff cleaned. Maybe, and I gotta vacuum. Well, you don't have to. All right, say hi, everybody. Okay.